related to the instrument of the research, right? So what are the instruments of your research?
The instrument from my research, we make a observation instrumentnya.
What is the instrument of your research?
Starting from the observation.
For the first observation. So what observation for?
I mean that
What are you going to observe?
the speaking ability with using
The
using Islamic
what?
communication, bro. The speaking ability, speaking competence, my student by using ability in Islamic values.
Okay, so the observation and what else?
And then make a more easier syllabus prop.
What?
Easier syllabus RPS I mean that prop.
RPS?
Yeah, prop. I mean that
What is what RPS for?
I mean
You
like
know that the instruments is used to collect the data. Okay? So what are the instrument used to collect your data?
observation baru make
Okay.
pretest post test prop
What?
pretest make
Post test.
pretest instrumennya make pretest my student do exercise prop exercise.
One is observation. The second is
The second is interview prop.
the third.
Document analysis prop. Document.
What?
The third document analysis prop.
Document analysis.
Yes, prop.
What does it for? What do you mean document analysis?
I means that the
Salim, you want to develop a model, right? So you need some instrument.
Oh, yeah.
You said that you need observation sheet to observe what kind of activity that you are going to observe and what does it for.
Oh, yeah, bro.
And then, yeah, you mentioned here about the validity and reliability. So, what things that you are going to find the validity and the reliability?
So, yes, bro. The ability of the student.
What?
The ability of the conversation of the student, bro. Talking about Islamic values.
The conversation, the validity of student conversation? What do you mean? Do
Yes.
you know the meaning of validity and reliability?
I know. Means that validity must be met, and reliability like all the subject must understanding from the CLT Islamic values, like that, prop.
Okay, it seems that you still do not understand clearly about validity and reliability. The validity and reliability is used, yeah, to get the valid of the test and reliability of the test, because yeah, you use test, yeah, to get the validity and the reliability of this instrument.
Yes,
And
Pak.
then, when will you use this test? When will you use this test?
I will use this to in the class, prop. I mean,
What?
in the class, prop. In the practically, Prof.
Yeah, not in the class. In the class is the location. I mean that when will you use it this, the test?
When I make analysis from the analysis data, I will make this. I will make this.
Salim. Ya, kamu ini masih belum jelas, belum memahami betul apa yang akan kau perbuat. Ya, jadi saya akan jelaskan. Jadi kalau saya tanya pun kelihatannya kamu masih banyak yang nggak tahu, nggak paham.
Ya, Prof.
Jadi kalau penelitian kamu ini kan ya research and development, right? Okay, you will conduct the research, based on the model AD, right? Analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. So you have to understand. So this is the research procedure of your research that you are going to conduct. Yeah. So in analysis, page 1, you want to analyze what?
Analysis.
You want to analyze what?
Analysis from activity, Prof. Activity.
Salim. You have written here. First of all, you analyze the objective of this. Yeah, the learning objective. And then the second is you analyze the curriculum and the syllabus. The third is analyze the learning materials. The fourth is you analyze the teacher roles and learning methods or strategy. The last is evaluation analysis. So this is the stage 1. Analysis. So after you make, you analyze the objective. So you know you want to continue with the other, learning materials, curriculum and syllabus, teacher's role and evaluation analysis. So after that, my question is, what things that you are going to analyze is the four things that I mentioned. So how do you analyze the curriculum, or what curriculum and what syllabus? Jadi di sini kamu menganalisis dokumennya yang ada, yang sudah ada, itu kurikulum yang digunakan di situ, di sekolah itu, silabusnya juga. Kemudian kamu lihat objektifnya, learning objektifnya, kemudian kamu analisis juga learning materialnya, dan juga teacher's role evaluation analisis terakhir. Nah, bagaimana ini kamu lakukan? Ini kan semua berbeda-beda caranya. Di sini kamu nggak ada menjelaskannya. Kamu cuma sebut sedikit-sedikit. Nggak ngerti saya, nggak tahu saya apa yang kamu buat. Dan sebetulnya setelah kamu analisis kurikulum dan silabus yang ada, learning objektifnya apa udah cocok, bagaimana learning materialnya, teacher's role-nya dan everything. Baru kamu melangkah ke stage 2. Stage 2 itu adalah desain. Bagaimana, apa yang dimaksud dengan desain? Di sini kamu harus jelaskan desain di sini satu-satu, yaitu bagaimana silabusnya dan kurikulumnya untuk dapat kau jadikan sebagai model model CRT yang diintegrasikan dengan Islamic what?
Islamic values.
Islamic value, right?
Right.
Nah begitu dia. Jadi mulai lagi berturut-turut bagaimana learning materialnya, bagaimana pertama tadi kurikulum dan silabus, kemudian objektif learning objektifnya, kemudian ininya apa namanya materialnya, kemudian teacher's role-nya. Jadi semuanya itu harus udah nampak di stage 2-nya. Bagaimana dia desainnya based on your analysis, based on stage 1. Nah, harus nampak apa, Salim, bukan hanya ditulisin sini apa yang kau tulisin. Ya, jelas. Kemudian ya baru kau sampai kepada development. Apa yang dimaksud dengan development di sini? Nah, kau kembangkanlah semua dia. Kembangkan dia itu menjadi suatu model. Jadi tahapan-tahapan yang kau lakukan di analisis itu, unsur-unsur yang kau lakukan di analisis, kemudian kau desain, kemudian sampailah kau pada development. Development di sini ya kau terangkan juga lah, ini udah kau tulis tapi nggak jelas gitu, nggak jelas bagaimana di mana dia model pembelajaran CRT itu dengan diintegrasikan Islamic value. Ya, terus ada di halaman 133, di situ ada evaluation. Evaluation yang di situ nggak sama dengan evaluation stage yang terakhir. Stage yang terakhir ada evaluation, tapi evaluation yang di halaman 133 ini adalah evaluation yang kau lakukan setelah mengembangkan model. Ya, sini salah kau buat. Di sini bahasanya nggak seperti itu.
Ya, baik.
Yang di evaluation kau bilang setelah dilakukan implementation. Sementara implementation belum kau lakukan. Nanti evaluation ada stage terakhir, yaitu setelah implementation kau lakukan. Jadi di sini Salim, ya banyak hal yang belum jelas tentang research methodological. Inilah yang harus kau perbaiki, ya, harus kau perbaiki. Misalnya nanti di analisis itu bagaimana kau menganalisis, ya, mulai dari learning objective, kurikulum dan silabus, seterusnya. Salim.
Ya, Prof.
Mas, kalau misalnya aku dihujat karena aku jelek, kamu mau bela aku?
Atau analisis
Suaranya terganggu gitu. There is some problem with your microphone, Aisyah.
Apakah spek standar seperti ini ya para pemirsa? Ini bagus. Senyumnya. Ini pengalaman saya hampir kena.
There's a problem with your microphone.
Nah, kalau kalian kemarin ingat pesan saya saya ya, jangan kalian berani-berani ngambil kamera atau foto-foto sebelum kalian bayar parkirnya. Parkirnya itu 20.000 per mobil.
Habis ini ya, sinyalnya ini. Aku bilang,
Berarti habis zoomnya.
sekarang mungkin tapi terini dia.
Enggak, Wi, memang habis zoomnya. Zoomnya kan pakai waktu.
Ya itulah, jadi dia prepare lagi. Tapi hari connected
Your voice is not clearly
Iya, itu
audible.
kan dari jaringan.
Yes, that's a problem.
Kuncinya adalah
udah kesambung belum? Iya, masih ini dia Kak. Mungkin jaringannya habis. Ih, panas sekali waktu itu ya. Iya, panas. Ya, preparing. Ibu juga. Ini enggak ada. Oh, berarti memang juga. Banyak kali halangan.
Nah, orang dia pun di sana. Dari tadi dia nggak dengar kan. Awak udah di situ, maksudnya supaya aku dengar jelas. Nah, di sana terakhir dia pula tak dengar.
Jadi ini kan juga kamu udah tahu Bu, dia kalau dia buat yang baru.
Dia yang gambar warna sini.
Are you going to continue, Professor Aisyah?
Iya, dia pun nggak ada di situ kan.
Professor Aisyah?
Your network error.
Professor Aisyah? Are you going to continue? Professor Aisyah?
Tapi di sini bisa loh.
Halo, udah dapat? Ya, udah mulai. Ya, kasih, tapi tiba-tiba itu gimana?
Halo?
Yes. Can you hear my voice, Professor?
Udah ya?
Yeah. Okay.
Ke sana.
Dia nggak mau datang sini, jadi ribet kan.
Takutnya masalah ini udah lah, kita yang penting lebih efektif ya.
Halo, Salim.
Yes. Yes, just continue. Can you hear the voice, Salim?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I just make conclusion, sir. Okay, so what you have to do, Salim, is to revise all the research methodology, chapter 3, right? Make it clear about it.
Baik, Prof.
Yeah, make it clear about it, right? Especially the model of SD. Yeah, the 5 stage start from analysis, design,
Then
analysis, and then
development,
design, implementation, and evaluation. So make it clear the 5 steps, 5 stages. Okay? Yeah. So I don't ask you anymore just about the research methodology. Make it clear, yeah, because you will conduct the research based on the research methodology. The instrument was, you have mentioned what kind of instrument, and how to get the validity, that use validity and reliability, then which observation, okay, yeah, research methodology. Okay, thank you, Prof. Amrin, for this chance.
You're welcome, Professor Aisyah. We proceed on to the next stage, where I invite Dr. Maysuri to give a comment, suggestion, or criticisms to the research proposal by Agus Salim Lapau. Dr. Maysuri.
Ini sapi tapi.
Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning, Pak Salim.
Good morning.
Right. Now, it's been discussed a lot, yeah, starting from the background, yeah, of your study, and then Professor Aisyah emphasized on the methodology. Yeah. Now, so in this case, I'd like to continue because it is as the holistic, yeah. So the first questions that I'm going to ask is related to the title, so developing models. So you are going to develop a model, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now you know that nowadays there have been so many teaching and learning models, yeah, around us, right? Now, are you going to develop the new one, the brand new one, or maybe you are going to modify some of the models that we have
I have planned to modify from the model and to input the Islamic values from the CLP modify.
All right. So that is something that you are going to focus, yeah, by inserting, yeah, by mixing, blending also Islamic values. Yeah, somewhere in here you have already mentioned actually cultural values, yeah, of course, beside the language, yeah, the language, the function of the language, the cultural values. Now you are going to also blend, yeah, this Islamic values, right? Now, you know that when you say that this is developing model, to my understanding, is going to be a very general ideas. Means it could be implemented and applied to all levels, yeah. Okay, and also for all aspects of teaching and learning. But you have to understand that it's not going to working well for non-Islamic, yeah, non-Muslim, right? Yeah. So in this case, you have to be more specific. So it could only be maybe useful and beneficial for Islamic school, yeah. Maybe Islamic boarding school, Islamic, yeah, but not for the whole. So you are not going to change, yeah, the curriculum that we have now, but instead you are going to have another variation, yeah, of the curriculum. Yeah, right? Now, can you tell me later on after you finish, yeah, conducting the research, what would be the product of your study?
In my mind, I have planning to make a product like a book.
A book, okay.
Learning, English learning.
What do you mean by English learning? The material, teaching materials. Okay, a book, okay, comprising of teaching materials, okay, and then?
Write article.
Articles? What do you mean by articles in here?
The meaning from the draft article to successfully make this kawan singkatu answer.
Okay, so this is the outcome, yeah, that's the outcome, yeah, for sure, because it is one of the compulsory thing that you have to have, right? So later on, after you finish this one, of course, beside having the report of the whole project, okay, and then you need to transform the report into an article that should be eligible to be sent to publish, yeah, to be published in Sinta 1 or Sinta 2. Oh, yeah, this is the outcome. But this is not the case that I'm asking you. So what kind of things, what kind of product that you are going to provide, that you are going to offer for teachers for the betterment of teaching and learning process? because the article is not for the teachers, right?
Yeah.
It is for you. It is a kind of So when you develop, okay, I'll give you the analogy. If you develop a teaching material, it's very obvious, right? There must be teaching materials.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, could be a textbook.
Textbook, ma'am.
Okay, within the textbooks, there must be various topics.
Yeah.
It is also, it should also be related to the, it could be media, teaching media, right? Assessment, okay, and method or strategy. Now, in my opinion, developing teaching material, it's a bit easier than developing a model. When you design or develop teaching materials, and then you can see all the, what is it, it is not abstract. It is very concrete, right? Teaching material is a concrete thing, right? So there must be book and all those things related to the textbook. But teaching a model is abstract, right, Pak? So what are you going to provide for us? Apa hasilnya? Apa yang bisa about the teachers? Teaching model bagaimana? Okay, so we have, for example, constructivism. Ya Pak, itu pedagogi ya. And then socialism, behaviorism, and so on. Nah, in teaching, we have model, sekarang ada model abstrak. Can you mention one or two, Pak?
Model.
Komunikatif, what about?
Komunikatif, and then
Right. So the model in here is the how, right? The way how we are going to transfer the knowledge we are going to train the students. Yeah, so you could only see that from the procedure, right? Jadi nggak ada materinya, right? Makanya, what kind of model that you are going to offer, that you are going to produce?
Model.
There are some good models already. Udah banyak yang bagus, Pak. Are you going to develop? Are you going to create brand new models?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fine.
CLT is the look lama gitu kan ya. So, but about CLT to Beijing news never seen. I never seen from the
Okay, what is it? So it's going to be the novelty of your study. Kalau belum pernah ada, itu apa artinya? Tapi sekarang bukan hasilnya sedikit. Apalah kira-kira kisi-kisinya gimana? It's not easy, to develop a brand new model. But if you say you are going to integrate, because there is no particular model for public tidak ada teknik model tertentu yang bisa baik untuk semua. But I can show you dulu ada punya tidak bahwa model so you are going to become the best procedure, the best process, the best things from this model that can be implemented to a certain teaching and learning process. So when you are going to focus on this thing, okay, whatever you may this ini nanti bisa berubah nama, bisa saling. That's right. Yeah. So if this model is still review, so you can put your name there. So this is not nothing. that will be more beneficial for a certain topic, right? Then this holistic, will integrate. One is the linguistic point of view, the second one cultural, right? Then all this one and everything in context of your study. Ini konteks apa ya? Kalau di sekolah metodis mereka nggak pakai ini ya, because this is Islamic, so you are going to also mix or blend ya, the Islamic values. So after you together, okay, the three points, and then this is the result of your test. Inilah yang dia. Okay. So how can you work on this one? I think we have already discussed the process, yeah. You have already displayed that you need one system for AD. Analysis, implement, and evaluate. This is one model. Jadi memenuhi desain semuanya modelnya. Right, for AD, capture, and so on and so forth. But most crucial and potential model, specifically for yeah. So you just follow this and the procedure, and then we will finally come up to the it's a long way to so it is kind of right? Yeah. So analysis then sometimes do research gitu. Yeah, so you're going to do analysis, you're going to analyze. You're going to analyze and their needs. Yeah, then analyze what they need. Yeah, for example, for teaching subjects for high school students, then how usually the textbook, how to make mix coffee mix. But instead, you're going to transform into how to do the best solar preference, right? So this is the values that you are going to implement into their curriculum or their teaching materials, right? And then, so by knowing that they need, and then you are coming to the target. So the target is the one that you are going to develop. Yeah, the will goes hand in hand with your development model. So that's why I told you that developing model is much more complicated than developing teaching materials. Yeah, because in one hand you are going to design the alternative models, but you have to go through. Okay, you have to go through designing the curriculum. And then teaching materials, what else? Utilizing the media assessment. Yeah. So they will be entering, mereka itu digabungkan, dipasangkan, sekali jalan. Kalau model itu is enough, and that's why model is enough. Abstract. Yeah. So therefore, I think we need to revise your conceptual frameworknya. It shows us the procedure of your research as a whole. So after discussing about this, now let's come to your research problem. What's your research problem? After knowing what is your planning, bisa kita jadi itu bisa deduktif, right? Udah tahu nanti gini, let's compare hilirisasi, right? So what is or not? What are the possible research problem? Apa kira-kira research problemnya?
Explanation document.
Ya, dari kita jelaskan. One, And then it's going to be the problem. How could Islamic value, how could Islamic value be effectively integrated into the so what we call communicative with teaching and learning practice. Jadinya gitu kan?
Oh, yeah. I think it's like this.
Yeah. So we are going to list one by one the problems, right? If you say that Islamic value is very important, crucial, potential, to be implemented, and how, okay, and so on, okay, and then based on the problems. So this is just one, and then based on the problems. So what is the objective, or what are the objectives? To me, it seems that you are going to develop a model, right? Comprehensive model, ya Pak. So in this case, you are going to use, maybe holistic one, because holistic could mean differently from one person to another. Holistik untuk Bapak mungkin beda dengan holistik untuk saya, ya. Tergantung penyakitnya, right? Treatmentnya, that's it. But for the time being, this holistic is anonim, masih belum bernama, ya Pak. Bapak boleh. And then, so you need, it is not yet finished. Okay. Islamic values and cultural values into the draft. Okay. And after that, now since this is a model, do you think it will be significant for the student or for the teacher?
Yes, it's my problem, and exactly in my mind to the teachers.
Yes, that's right. Therefore, another product is you have to provide a simple manual. This is a kind of for teacher training. Kalau materi nanti diuji cobakannya ke anak-anak. Tapi kalau dia model, the model is mostly useful for the teachers. So you need to help. There's some kind of manual, manual sederhana, langkah-langkahnya, for the teacher training. Because when you implement this, and then you are going to implement for a group of teachers. And then you are going to have observation, you are going to have interview, you are going to have questionnaire. Itulah saatnya Bapak mengumpulkan data dengan menggunakan instrumen, Jadi model itu urusannya guru, bukan siswa. Okay. And then after that you are going to evaluate the model. Jadi yang dievaluasi modelnya bukan materi ajar, beda ya, developing teaching materials. And then you are going to have recommendation. So I believe it is a very long ways to go, Pak. Now you focus on the models. Please find more references about the models, right? Now, which model that you are going to analyze, Okay, and then after that you are going to select maybe 2 or 3, 2 or 3 potential models that will be observed, during the teaching and learning processes. And from those you are going to select some good things. That's what we call the holistic. So now we can imagine, right, the product now. Jadi produknya bukan artikel masuk Sinta 1, itu outcome-nya. Produk research-nya adalah model ala Pak Salim. And the model could only be working well with the other components, apa kurikulumnya ada, materinya ada, medianya ya ada, and then also the assessment. Okay, and then you try it out the model to a group of teacher. Okay, so you need to have buku manual ya, bisa namanya ya, buku manual sederhana, and then you evaluate the result by having information from the teachers through melalui interview, observation in the classroom, and also maybe a questionnaire.
Yes, I understand.
That's it. So these procedures are belonging to the D, development. Jadi researchnya dulu, dapat need-nya, and then what's our target, and then you are going to focus on the development.
Oh yes.
Okay. I don't see the potential of integrating to AI ya Pak, the modelnya ya. But if it is teaching material, teaching media, bisa kita masukkan ke dalam AI, penggunaan pakai AI ya, pakai aplikasi ya. Tapi karena ini model, kayaknya lebih kepada prosedur atau manualnya yang berbeda. Walaupun nanti bisa dibuatkan e-manual, tapi tidak usah dipaksakan untuk menggunakan atau menggunakan aplikasi AI.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thanks so much, man.
Yeah, so I know that it's going to be very interesting and very challenging for you. Yeah, but indeed it's going to be a very tough job to do. So another suggestion is please read more and then you put more in your references, yeah, about the thing.
From there.
Okay, and this is the last Nah, actually we are talking about religion and new things anymore. Karena KT ya, kompetensi and psychomotorik ya Pak. But then in the revised curriculum 2003, kurikulum revisinya, there are 4 KI. Ada ya, kompetensi inti. Remember Pak?
Yes, ma'am.
The core competence. 1, KI 1 berketuhanan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then KI 2 behavior, sikap. And then comes cognitive. And then the last one is skill atau psychomotorik. Jadi it is not a new trend anymore. Tetapi prakteknya adalah ketika di sekolah, okay, students, before we start the class, let's pray. Cuman itu doang kan prakteknya. So that's why it is becoming a challenge for Islamic school, right? Yeah, and I know in some school, even in the lower level, ya, in Islamic school, itu sudah dimulai KI 1 misalnya ada setoran. Okay, students, before we start to learn the new subject today, the new topic today, Ibu, I would like to invite you. Ya, hari ini 3 orang setoran ayat An-Nas, ya. Nah, this is also how they implement KI 1 sebetulnya, tapi hanya ada di sekolah Islam.
Just Islam.
Yeah, that's all. So you need also to put it. It is not a new one. Kalau if you talk about, for example, very traditional, itu sudah tahun 70, tahun 80 masa saya kuliah itu. Ya, translation method, thematic based, tapi sejak kurikulum 2003, okay, we have already focusing on the competence, language competence, and also yang itu tadi masuk 4 KI. Ya Pak?
Yeah,
Ya, jadi it's not a new things. Yeah, okay. Thank you. So it is just a great idea for you, so that you can see the phenomenon in some Islamic school. Actually, they have already developed KI 1. Ya, dengan itu tadi setoran-setoran ayat-ayat. Nah, itu salah satu. Jadi tidak sebatas, okay, let's pray, begin, gitu kan? Okay, Pak Salim, I think that's just to complete the previous comment and suggestion from the reviewers. Okay, thank you very much, Professor Saragi. Thank you very much.
Well, you're welcome. Actually, just before giving the chance to Professor Sumarsi, I just ask the opinion of maybe some comment and suggestions from audience, and particularly our students. We have David Young here. We have Irene Nababan, Liana, Lisman, Meida, Rane Peirus, Rini Ekayati. Then we have Yanti Hidayani Hasibuan. Any comment or suggestions to Salim?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Prof. Thank you, Prof, for the chance.
Is there any suggestion? Maida, would you like to say something?
Just want to say congratulations, Prof, for Brother Salim for having been in this stage, Prof.
Thank you.
And I just want to motivate you to do the same soon. Okay.
Yes, Prof. Hopefully, thank you.
David, we have David here. David, would you like to say something, David?
I also agree with Ma'am Maida. Congratulations, Brother Salim, for coming to this stage. Please keep the spirit and continue.
Thank you for your support.
Rani, would you like to say something, Rani?
Yes, Prof. I agree with Prof. Minda, Prof. And I hope Salim, you have good spirit. Semangat ya, Lim.
Okay.
Thank you, Prof.
All right. Thank you. And I would like to invite Liana. Would you like to say something, Ibu Liana? She's far away. Ibu Liana? No response. Well, Yanti? No response. Okay, now I ask the owner of Professor Sumarsi as my colleague, as the co-promoter. Professor Sumarsi.
Thank you to Professor Amrin Saragi and PhD. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pak Agus Salim, congratulations for you. You have been in this stage. I hope you will be serious to do the best, in order you get be early to have the result. Okay. The first one, I thank you to internal examiner and reviewers, to Professor Dr. Sri Minda MS. You have Prof. Minda have asked Pak Salim to revise about the elements of the model that you want to design. Before that, you must explain about Western material that you have learned before, yeah, and then existence material now you have been analyzed, you explain in the background of the study. And then especially for the content of the model, you must say the different from the other model that we have learned, yeah, such as integrated Islamic values, yeah. This must be explained clearly in order your model will be different from the others. Yeah, for the second examiner, reviewers to Professor Dr. Siti Aisyah Ginting MAD, thank you for your suggestion, comment to Pak Agus Salim about the, yeah, especially for the subject and object of your research, yeah. And then instrument, you must know what instrument that you want to be used for to getting reliability, yeah, validity, effectiveness, and practicality. Especially for designing the model, there are 3 stages, yeah. I think you have noted when Prof. Aisyah said to you about stage 1, you analyze of learning material that you have been in that school, yeah?
Yep.
You analyze first about the curriculum, learning objective, material, and teacher's rule, yeah? Everything you analyze, this is as the background of the study, or maybe this is for the existing explanation in that from that school. After that, you start to design. Of course, to design, return back to the curriculum too, your learning objective, material, and teacher's rule. After that, you start to design. In designing the model, you don't forget to use the student's need. Although you have known already, your model will be integrated with the Islamic values, but you must ask the student's need in order you get the reality of the students' need, what material that they need. Yeah. Okay, and for the third reviewer, to Ibu Dr. Maisuri MA, I think this is focused on product, yeah, product. Pak Salim, yeah, I've heard your answer about the article. This is the outcome, yeah. So the product of your research, of course, the book. Beside the book, you must design the procedure manual, how to use this model, yeah. And 5 equipment for teaching learning process, such as RPS, LKPD, material, media, and assessment. Yeah, don't forget it, Pak. Yeah. And beside that, Ibu Maisuri suggests to you to think about for KI1, KI2, K3, KE4, yeah, about the Islamic values for KI1, yeah, for behavior, KI2, for the cognitive knowledge, KE3, and motoric, for KA4. This is the skill, the skill, writing, speaking. Okay, I think you must revise as soon as possible, in order you be early to conduct the research, because before you conduct the research, you must get the signature from every reviewers. After that, you can start to conduct the research. Good luck for you, Pak Agus Salim. Thank you. Thank you to Professor Amrin Saragi, MA, PhD.
You're welcome, Professor. Salim, we have had so many corrections, and that means we're going to work harder to revise your research proposal for dissertation. So I think comments from Dr. Wiwi, Dr. Mesuri is of relevance to your case then. Well, we are, the point is, how can we integrate the Islamic values? Will that be covering the material only, or that will cover the procedures that might impact the model later? So yes, in the 2013 curriculum, we have had those kind of things then, attitude or to the Almighty God or whatever, but that is still in the statement, or as Dr. Mesuri said just now, it's just, asking students to pray. But our point is not in that situations, but how can the Islamic values be integrated in the materials, and that will affect, obviously, the procedures in the presentations of the material. This is the missing link that you have had in your proposal. So we need to make very clear link between Islamic teaching, materials, and the procedures. Prosedur tidak hanya pada materi, tetapi pada prosedur penyajian, methodology prosedur. And yes, that covers that area then. So, but the first thing is the theory from the functional grammarian. The point is, because when you are learning English, when you are learning a foreign language, you're not only learning the grammatical aspect, but also what we call the culture, technology, and situation. That's the point where we enter into the Islamic values presentations in your proposal. So we'll have to revise all those kind of proposals. Okay. Right. Thank you very much, Salim, for your attention. So in the meanwhile, we're waiting for the scores on opinion from the board of examiner. So I just proposed the meeting for about 5 minutes before the announcement of this examinations. Kita hentikan kira-kira 5 menit untuk menunggu perhitungan hasil dan saran-saran dari para reviewers. 5 minutes.